In this video, we'll show you how to replace the bar and chain on your GREENWORKS chainsaw. Over time with use, the bar and chain will experience wear and tear and must be replaced. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Replace the bar if the bar is bent or cracked, the saw feels unstable when in use or constantly pulls to one side, the track is too low or too wide, black streaking or friction burns along the track. Replace the chain if the length of the cutting edges are less than 1/5 of an inch. There is too much space between the drive links and rivets. The cut speed is slower than it should be. The chain is damaged. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. If your chainsaw has an active chain brake, it must be engaged now. Let's get started. Removing the side cover. To change the bar and chain, the side cover must be removed. Your saw may have lock nuts or a knob. Loosen the nuts on the side using the supplied wrench. Remove the side cover and set it aside. Loosen the chain tension using a flat end of the tool provided and turning it counterclockwise. Toolless tensioning chainsaws have a large knob on the side of the unit. Turn the knob counterclockwise until the side cover can be removed. Next, loosen the chain tension. Certain models have a dual function knob, which means loosening and removing the side cover also loosens the bar and chain tension. Other toolless models have a dedicated tensioning knob, which needs to be turned counterclockwise. Carefully remove and discard the worn bar or chain. If there is debris inside, brush or wipe the debris away before installing the new parts. With the bar on a level surface, position the drive links of the chain into the groove, guiding any excess chain towards the back. Attach the new chain to the bar, ensuring it is properly installed by following the icon on the cover or the unit itself. Carefully pick up the new bar and chain and guide the excess chain around the sprocket assembly. Be sure to position the bar so that the chain tension pin is through the hole on the bar. Reinstall the side cover, but do not fully tighten it down. Adjust the tension of the chain. Tighten the cover once the chain has been correctly tensioned. Make sure that the bar is flipped periodically to keep the symmetrical wear on the bar. Lubricate the bearings on the nose sprocket with the designated syringe. Clean the bar groove with a scraper. Clean the lubrication holes. If the bar accumulates burrs on the edges, level it with a flat file. A sharp chain is important. For light sharpening, customers may use a 5/32 inch round file. For proper sharpening angles, we recommend that you refer to your owner's manual. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your chainsaw, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS chainsaw will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.